Let's make profitable advertising simple again. If you're worried about throwing money down the drain when it comes to advertising your products on Amazon, then let's break down a simple way that you can calculate your profitability so you can start growing your business without wasting money. How does growing your business and making a 25% profit margin on all of your advertised sales sound? Step 1, what's your profit margin? Let's assume after seller fees, FBA fees, VAT, and the cost of your actual product, you're left with a 40% profit margin. Superb. Step 2, ACOS. ACOS is your advertising cost of sale. Similar to profit margin, it's the percentage of the product price that you spend on advertising to generate a sale. So let's assume you set up an Amazon advertising campaign which generates one sale with an ACOS of 15%. That means you spent 15% of the price of your product on advertising to make a sale. So when you then take that 15% advertising cost away from your profit margin, you're actually left with a 25% profit margin on all of your direct advertising sales. Make sense? Step 3. With this understood, we can now set a minimum ACOS that we're happy to accept for advertising, which aligns with our business goals. For instance, if you want to grow your business as fast as possible, you might be happy with a 40% ACOS, which means we break even on all of our direct advertising sales. You might want a 30% ACOS, which means you make a 10% profit margin on all of your advertising sales, or a 20% ACOS, which means you make a 20% margin on all of your advertising sales, etc., etc. Step 4. Start advertising. Now that we have our minimum ACOS targets in place, we can easily see from a high level whether a campaign is performing based on our goals. And if you're still anxious about spending on advertising with Amazon, then just start off with a simple automatic campaign or an exact match sponsored product campaign with the bids nice and low. Then over time, analyze performance and start to scale it up. Of course, not every campaign is going to deliver exactly what we want in terms of performance, but if you've never advertised on Amazon before, then you really need to get your feet wet. Test some simple campaigns to get started with, keep your budget low and start to raise and ramp it up over time once you can see that you're generating sales and maintaining a good ACOS. You might just be surprised how far some of these simple campaigns can actually take you, all whilst maintaining a profit. And remember, if you need any additional help, I run Optimize e-commerce, which is an Amazon agency, and we can take care of absolutely everything for you, or we can guide you on the right path to more sales and more profitability on Amazon. Follow for more. See you in the next one.